Hello, my amazing students. I am so excited to see you guys today, and I hope you're excited as well. I wanted to give you just a little bit of insight into Christmas in Killarney. Okay, it's a fun piece. It's got a very Celtic Scottish feel, which I thought would just be a lot of fun for you to get used to choir online, but also for our audience during the concert to hear and experience something totally different. Now, the funny part about this is it's in 6/8. Now, some of you might be going, what is 6/8? What do we do? I don't know what you're talking about. Time in choir either feels like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, or it feels like a waltz: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or sometimes it feels like there are groupings of things: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That helps the feel of the piece move differently. Much Celtic and Scottish pieces feel that down, 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 something like that. That's not how the melody goes, but it's a little bit fun like that. So 6/8 is a 6 above. And if you're looking at Christmas in Killarney, 6/8 is right here. The 6 and the 8. See it? And that means that there are 6 beats. There are 6 time signatures, 6 beats inside of each measure. Remember, a measure is these lines here. Where'd I go? I'm over here. That's a bar line, and that's a bar line. And anything inside that bar line is called a measure. So there are 6 beats inside of each measure, and the 8th note gets the beat. Okay? So that's a first start. Now you'll notice right here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What's 3 times 2? 6. There you go. There's where the 6 is. So now you're seeing it in actuality. Now, if this is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then this one note is also equal to 6, but it's all in one grouping. So think about a pie. If I took a pie, the whole pie, and I made it into half, I have 2 halves. And then if I took that half and I broke it into 3 perfect pieces, I would have 6 pieces in that entire pie. Making a little bit more sense? So that's how we think of the time signature 6/8. Okay, now that can then be thought of because what you're listening to is the holly green, the ivy green, the prettiest picture you've ever seen is Christmas in Killarney with all of the folks at home. And that's how that goes. So if you're noticing right here on measure 13, we have a pickup. Well, that's one beat, and it's right before the measure. So this must be beat 6. Well, if the 8th note is what gets the beat, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, then this funny guy must be 2 beats. So it'll go 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me go over that again. There's 6 beats per measure. Each 8th note gets a number. That gets a number. It's all by itself. That's what an 8th note looks like. That is a quarter note. That gets 2 8th notes. So, and if we start at 1 at the beginning of the measure, right there, there's the measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mr. Scott, why are you whispering some of the numbers? And then you're saying some of the other numbers really loud. Well, 1, I'm crazy. 2, the second number, the quiet one, is there, but it doesn't have a start. It is a duration. I'll explain a little bit more later. Have fun.